In networking, Ethernet is the king, a standard for data transmission, with speed and reliability to bring. From the early days of 10 base T to the latest 400G base T, Ethernet has evolved, with each standard a step in technology's set. Let's start with 10 base T, the first Ethernet standard to see. Using twisted pair cabling, it brought connectivity to you and me. With speeds of 10 megabits per second, it was slow but steady in its pace. And with the RJ45 connector, it made connections easy in its space. Then came 100 base T, with faster speeds and more to share, using the same twisted pair cabling, but with more data to bear. It had speeds of 100 megabits per second and helped networks expand, and with full duplex mode, it could send and receive hand in hand. Gigabit Ethernet was next, with speeds of a gigabit per second. Using twisted pair, fiber optic, or even copper, it was quite a lesson. It brought high-speed data transfer and helped networks evolve, and with its backward compatibility, it was quite a problem to solve. 10 gigabit Ethernet followed, with speeds of 10 gigabits per second. Using fiber optic or copper, it was a network technology heaven sent. It brought faster data transfer and more bandwidth to use, and with its different physical interfaces, it had much to diffuse. Then came 40 and 100 gigabit Ethernet, with speeds beyond compare. Using fiber optic cabling, it was a network technology rare. It brought faster data transfer and more bandwidth to deploy, and with its compatibility and reliability, it brought much joy. Lastly, there's 400 gigabit Ethernet, the latest standard in sight. With speeds of 400 gigabits per second, it's a marvel of light. It uses fiber optic cabling and is still in its infancy, but with its potential and future, it's a network technology legacy. When it comes to Ethernet standards, there's much to behold, from 10 base T to 400G base T, each one a story to be told. They've brought speed and reliability to networks far and wide, and with their evolution and progress, they're a network technology pride.